This video will show you how you can make a custom Snapchat lens filter using your phone. The first step is downloading the Customuse app and signing up for an account. Next, you will need to select the Snapchat category and choose which design you want to remix. You can browse through all of these different templates. Once you have a template you'd like to remix, go ahead and hit the remix button. From here, you can customize the design however you like. You can change the colors of the designs if the design has colors. You can add images from the media tab. After you add a photo, you can freely move and resize it to your preference. In the texture view, you can precisely position the image. You can switch to the 3D view to visualize the exact location of the images you added. You can also upload your own images using the Upload tab, and you can also adjust the image to your liking. You can also add text. Select this tab and pick a font and write the word you want to add, and you'll be able to adjust it on the 2D view. For this specific design, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. You can draw on the design if you like. Select the Draw tab, pick a brush preset and color. You can adjust the size, opacity, softness, and spacing of the brush. Play around with these settings as you like. If you want to see what your design would look like as an AR lens, you can hit this button. Customuse will ask if it can access your camera, and you can view the AR lens in real time. To use this Snapchat filter in your Snapchat app, select the export button and write a name for your design. Hit save and publish like so. Select the preview in Snapchat button, and it will automatically redirect you to the Snapchat app, and you'll be able to preview the design you created. And that's how you create Snapchat filters on your phone using Customuse.